Hi folks, and welcome back to Man Cave Garage Workshop. Today we're going to review this Cen-Tec 10-foot hose for dust collection. I picked this up off of Amazon. This is a standard 2 1/4 inch outside diameter to fit into most dust collection systems. You can get an adapter for this if it doesn't fit. Now, what I liked about this is, first of all, it is not one of those flexi hoses where it shrinks when you're not using it, or when you turn the dust collection on, it'll try and pull your tool in. So I didn't like that idea. So that's why this is a static hose. So it's 10 foot. It's always 10 foot. It makes it a little harder to store, but when you're using it, you'll be happier. The other thing I liked about this is it has this quick connect system. So you can easily put on any of the connectors, click it right in, squeeze the blue tab, and you can pop it right out. So very quick to put on and off for each tool set. It does come with a variety of connectors as well, so you can use it for pretty much any tool you have. It also has an extra 2 1/4 inch so that it does connect to one of the quick connect systems, so you can easily put it into another 2 1/4 inch diameter connector. So as an example, we'll use my Bosch sander, which has a dust collection port. It is a smaller port, so you just got to find the right port for it, or the right connector, slide it on. And the thing I like about it is it's on pretty good, so it's not going to get pulled off when you're doing your sanding. So that is a really nice feature. You can always leave it on this as well, so you don't have to keep removing them if you don't have another tool that needs this kind of connection. They also sell these separately, so if you do want to just leave them on the tool, you can easily get additional connectors. Another thing I like about this system is when you connect on, it still spins on the hose, so you can easily get tangled if it do that. So I really like the fact that it does swivel. I like the fact that it is 10 foot. I've got a 4x8 work surface here, so the 10 foot really allows me to get around the entire work surface without having too much extra slack. I picked this up off of Amazon, so if you want, you can find this in the links below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.